How to set custom ringtone for contact on stock Android 15 device. Open the app drawer on your device and tap the contact app or phone app on your device. Tap the contacts tab. Now here you can see list of the contact. Tap the any contact you want to set a custom ringtone. Now tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. Now here you can find the set ringtone option. Tap on the set ringtone. Now here you can see list of default available ringtone on your device. Like a sound matters. Here you can see different ringtones, gems, digital elements. If you want to set a downloaded song or any MP3 file or a custom ringtone or sound, tap on my sounds. Now tap on a plus icon from the bottom right corner. Different Android device has slightly different setting to set a custom ringtone. Tap on it. Now select the ringtone from your phone or downloaded folder on your device. Like this, here we select this. Now automatically add a ringtone to your list. Just select the ringtone you want to set on your device and tap on a save icon and tap on the save icon at the top right corner to set a custom ringtone or stock Android 15. That's it. If you like it, share it.